guys, it's Maker here /Squishinator, and if you can hear that crunching sound, that is a squishy, but it's not my squishy package. I'm so bummed. I originally liked it last month. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a spoof. So if you do not know what a spoof is, it is kind of like, it's like something you're doing that's not real. Like, it's like a skit thing. So we're gonna be doing that. I actually got this from Walmart like 7 minutes ago. So let's just get on with the video. Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. I got a squishy package. I already took it out of the box. I was super excited. Look it. It's so soft. But let me just read the note. Alright, so here's the note. Dear Squishinator, I hate your channel, so never order from here again. Oh, believe me, I will. Punimaro strawberry, $250. Tip, $380. Amount due, $630. I always order here because this is just really cheap. $250. Her things are really cheap. I love her. She seems like a really nice person. I hate your channel, so never order here from again. She sounds so nice. So let's open up the package. Okay. So it just came with this and a cut bag. Like this. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Guys, this seller is amazing. This makes me think of one of my best friends. Because she has a strawberry squishy just like this. She has a YouTube channel called Braylon.m. Yeah, she's so nice. I feel so bad. She may have strep, I think. This is in honor of her. Ready? Look at how big this thing is. And guys, while I was at Walmart, I did get clear glue. I've never made clear slime before, so really excited for my next video in like 5 minutes. So stay tuned to keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm done with my spoof now. I hope you enjoyed that video. This was just my handwriting on a sticky note. I cut up plastic bag that was put in here. There used to be a top to it. And I just put this thing around it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was really fun for me to make. And really fun. I just love that. And I'm in love with this squishy.